This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I have my equipment for windows and floor. I have problem to open the door. The owner called the management company, Jeeves. Excellent management company because they came in 15 minutes and they opened the door for me. The house is in really good condition. The management company already cleaned the house. The carpets are vacuum, good lines. The beds are done. Everything looks good. The bathroom looks amazing, sanitized. Everything looks clean. So you may ask, if this house looks clean, the owner called anyhousecleaning.com. Anyhousecleaning.com is a company specialized in deep cleaning. Cleaning means we use a special cloth and we dust one by one the blinds. We open the window and clean the rails. Things that the management company don't do. So why the owner didn't call a window cleaning company? Because they don't do blinds. They don't do the house. They don't dust. So Any House Cleaning is the company who does pretty much everything in detail. We also do the tile and grout. If you can see right here, the grout is wider than this traffic area. And maybe for that reason, they call us. That's the walls. This is a rubber floor, vacuum, and clean and sanitize the machine. Everything looks pretty awesome. Room, and the blinds are really dusty. And you can pick it up, the dust, with the yellow cloth. Cleaning comes after the management company already cleaned. We don't wash sheets, we don't do beds. Our purpose is deep cleaning, things that the management company don't do because it's a detailed cleaning. It takes more time. Everything looks really good, but we go beyond the regular cleaning. We inspect everything, and the part that people and companies miss is dusting properly the wood blinds. You can see right away here. I don't know if you can see. Do you see? This is the dust. And this is the proof. Do you see? Little cobwebs, patio, and this ceiling fan can be improved. Cobweb, I don't know if you can see it. This is the patio pool sliding door glass. Looks good, however, has some mold issues in this area or some dirt that it can be improved. Nothing major, but if you don't maintain the house properly, it will deteriorate. So that is the reason why this client calls us once a year for each house. Also call us when he bought the house and wants a deep cleaning, so the management company can maintain. Second floor, one bedroom here, awesome decoration. This is a property to put it for vacation homes in Champions Gate. Another room, everything is vacuum, everything looks great. This client loves to invest in properties, and they hire a company to do the painting. This is an awesome theater room that we have to sanitize the carpet, the same as last time with the vapor steamer. Doing the blinds also, checking everything. Thanks God that we don't have to open this. I don't know, you can see. No, you cannot see. But you can see right away the dust here. Check the upholstery to see if there is any kind of a stain or needs a cleaning. Everything looks good. Oh, surprise! I love this. This. So, the ceiling fan. Check vents. We have to check vents. Another blind. That this one is more dusty because it's more difficult to get access. You see? Yep. Okay. The rest looks fantastic. Ooh, beautiful. Another room here. Everything looks good. Checking vents. The same checking ceiling fans. And the same this window, even the light bulb here is dust. Nothing major. They moved the night table with the lamp. We already inspect the blinds. And oh, surprise! It's the humidity. Company did a good job. The house looks clean and sanitized. It's little things, but more in detail. The glass is really good. You can see through. So we inspect everything and see what we can improve. This plate is clean. Maybe we can improve this bottom part, but the rest is really good. Bedroom, the same here, checking vents, ceiling fan, and the ceiling fan looks good from here. I have to go in the ladder to see on top. Most people don't clean that. These blinds should be dusty because it's hard to access. Beautiful, beautiful. Excuse me, Pocahontas. Excuse me, Frozen. We moved the bed and this blind is dusty. Hard to reach for the management company. So the owners know that and they don't expect that. This is the reason why they call us to do a deep cleaning. So I really think that the main concern in this house, and I have to tell the client, oh, so beautiful, is windows, screens, in and out, high rich areas. Yeah. So things that they don't clean in detail. But the rest of the house looks amazing. Even a guest won't notice the things that we clean. So this is the little things that we check. This is in the TV area, second floor, next to the theater. The van is really bad. Second floor laundry area. We always check in the frames. But it looks good, you know, looks good. Huh? A little dust, but nothing major. We check here. Here is Dusty. Yep. You see that? The area that we check is next to the stairs. This is the AC unit, closet. And this is the areas that we check. And this is the area that we clean. Do you see this? It's more notice the dust in the hinges. And with our yellow cloth, we test the dust, and it's really heavy. So nobody didn't touch even. They didn't even pass a swifter, because it's areas where they forget. There is so many things that the management company needs to do in a vacation home that I don't blame them. Doing the best, washing the sheets, vacuum, cleaning the bedroom, picking out the garbage. So they do everything. So just keep in mind that you have another company beside this great management company, anyhousecleaning.com, to do a deep cleaning, okay? Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118.